Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have some palette knives ready, and I forgot my paper napkins, towels to wipe my hands because I will need to. And I have black paint. This is Amsterdam oxide black. All my paints are mixed with my pouring medium. They are, I will say, middle consistency. Maybe I will even add a little more water to that one, I don't know. So I have oxide black, I have Amsterdam Azo yellow lemon, and I have Windsor Newton pale yellow, and I have Decoart metallics sterling silver, and I have Amsterdam Expert Series Payne's Grey. While I was choosing colors, you have to know that Payne's Grey, if you use golden Payne's Grey, golden brand, it's almost like dark navy blue. But this Amsterdam Expert Series is this kind of warm gray that I like, and the black was definitely a little thicker, so I will put just a little more water in it. And what I will do, I will do not just puddle pour kind of, and I will play with puddles and with palette knives and maybe some rags. I don't know. I will just play with paint in the more, I don't know, primer how can I say that? Just I will try to play with the simplicity of this kind of pours, because puddles are kind of simplicity, but they can look so interesting if you play with them. So I will start simple and try to play with them a little bit. So maybe this sounds weird, but it's hard to explain sometimes. I just have an idea of puddles and some rags and something, and then I will go from there and I will see where it will lead. Freestyle today. I will just leave that like it is, because maybe you have a big glare. Just a second. Better probably. Yes. Sorry, but it's nothing. I will tilt that, so I will not bother about the edges, or I will spin it, I don't know. I just want to have a nice black. Oh, and I forgot, I have just a little bit of this Azo yellow middle, if maybe I will think that I need some, so I will start with this Payne's Grey. This pale yellow. And lemon yellow. And let's do this sterling silver and a little bit of black. Maybe this yellow again. I will just try to do some puddles with some, I don't know, this time. Let's add a little of this yellow here. I want to finish this one with Payne's Gray, I think. Okay. Let's move this here, and I will do another one here, and I will start with sterling silver this time. And this lemon and pale and some black and sterling silver. I'm hoping that I will get some lacing, just to maybe have some interest. That's why I added sterling silver. And of course, beside the fact that it looks nice in this color palette, so I don't mind about those drips, because as I said, I will try to play with palette knife a little bit too, so we will see what will happen. Okay, so this is my go-to play with paint design, so I will just remove my paints a little bit, that I will have more space, and I will try to do kind of ninja swipe. I will say that Sarah Mac will say ninja swipe, I don't know. I'll just try to flicker some paint, or I will rack it in, I don't know, a little different way maybe. So let's see. Okay, like that. stuff's happening. Sorry, I was totally quiet, but I'm just enjoying in this part a lot because it's, you know, I really like that part, I have to say. Let's try to do some, you know, swirls or something. I'm just checking because kind of I just have this dot tool, you know. I will just do some swirly lines where I think that it's just too much of something. In one place, or how can I say, just play with. This is okay. Okay, and I will give it a couple of spins because I want to spread this a little bit. Or maybe it will be just one and I will be done. Probably. Because I want to keep this negative space that it's left. I will just flicker a little bit of this here and grab black. Wow, I'm so happy with this painting. I will just add a little black here and do something with this part because it's just a little too, I don't know what. Wow, I can't wait to show you all the details on this painting. I will just finish my edges and then I will take you for a close-up. So here is close-up. I must say that I'm totally in love with this painting because it's so just enough of everything, I think. A lot of interesting details, but some just simple lines and lacing here, transparency, beautiful detail. I lost a lot of that part that I liked, but that's how it is. And this corner, just amazing. All those 3D lines, see? So tell me what you think. Oops, sorry. Do you think that this painting is interesting and beautiful too? I really do. So tell me in the comments what you think about this kind of painting, and see you on the next one. Bye.